What a lovely good day. Let's watch some YouTube. Wait, my friend made a video. Let's watch. There he is. Now, let's watch the video. So, he made the toxic waste challenge. Wait. So he ate one toxic waste. And in this episode, I'm gonna beat that record and eat 2 toxic wastes at a time. Okay, so that one is cranberry and that one is red grape. Okay, let's get it. Okay, so there they are. Now, let's do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's so bad. Oh. Okay. It's getting a bit better. Oh my god. I'm still not finished. Oh my god. That tastes so bad. But I'm gonna make it. Oh my god. I'm nearly done. I'm done. That was so bad. But I ate. I bet. Green Toy Bonnie. I did it. Okay. So, this is the end of this episode. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Adrian Enterprise for more cool challenges and videos and games like that one. Well, that was a challenge, not a video game. But okay. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. What do you want to see in the next episode? Should I do another challenge? Leave a like and a comment. What should I do? Okay, so bye!